Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Bonade Thermostatic Shower Mixer. It is a wall-mounted shower tap and it contains constant temperature for your shower tap with 38 degrees Celsius and a safety button. The shower thermostatic faucet is made of brass with a chrome surface. Precise and stable temperature while showering using the thermostat cartridge system with high sensitive alloys. This is, or it can, control the temperature error in ±1 degree Celsius within 0.2 seconds. Avoid sudden cold or sudden heat generation while showering. Healthy and comfortable. That shower thermostat is packed with many features, including the 38 degrees Celsius process control and quick response function. It can stop temperature fluctuations by simultaneous settings of 2 cartridges and 2 check valves. It will give us a healthy and pleasant shower experience all the time. Because on the right side of this thermostatic shower mixer, you have the temperature switch. And on the left side, you have the switch how much water will rinse out. And there are built-in high-quality materials. It is made of high-quality brass, copper. The copper content is more than 59%. Copper has excellent antibacterial properties, and high-quality copper can kill 99.9% of bacteria. Oh yeah, within 2 hours. It has a bright surface, excellent brass coating. It looks really shiny, really nice. Oh yeah. To increase the product surface, molten and galvanization adhesion, nickel plating more than 8 nanometers. Nickel plays a very important role in corrosion resistance. Too many thinner layer of nickel leads to tap corrosion. The chrome plating is more than 0.0 nanometers. The main function of chrome is to harden the surface and increase the brightness. And it's really easy to install. You can see there are 2 areas which you're going to use to mount on the water supply. And it's the standard way, 150 millimeters plus minus 20. And then you can host them on your water supply. Left is hot water supply. Right is the cold water supply. And then you can use the thermostatic cartridge system to control the temperature. And if you like 38 degrees Celsius, then rotate it to 38. Job's done. That it is. After this, the water volume control switch, you can make how much water will come out of this device. And of course, you can go behind the 38 degrees Celsius by pushing on the right side the button. And after this, you are able to rotate more for more hotter water will come out. This is really nice. You have a G1 half handheld shower connector, so you can attach there a shower, for example. You have a streamlined brass body, high quality check valve, and it looks really nice if you attach it with a shower system. Oh yeah. How to assemble it in detail I will show you in a different video. This was the unboxing and instruction manually. This is the Bonade thermostatic shower mixer with wall mounted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.